You understand how the stock market works, you know about index funds, you understand compound interest, but now you're wondering, how do I actually build my first investment portfolio? In this video, I'll show you a simple beginner-friendly portfolio strategy that many successful investors use. An investment portfolio is simply the collection of all your investments. Think of it like a financial team. Instead of relying on one investment, you combine multiple assets that work together. A strong portfolio balances growth, stability, risk management. The goal isn't excitement, the goal is consistency. One of the most popular beginner strategies is called the 3-fund portfolio. It's simple, it's diversified, and it's effective. It usually includes a total market index fund, covers a broad range of companies, provides long-term growth. An international index fund gives exposure to global markets, reduces dependence on one country. A bond index fund adds stability, reduces overall volatility. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in entire markets. This reduces risk dramatically. This portfolio works because it focuses on diversification, long-term growth, risk balance. When stocks go up, your growth funds perform. When markets become unstable, bonds help cushion the fall. It's not flashy, but historically, boring investing has built more wealth than risky speculation. Allocation depends on age and risk tolerance. For example, a younger investor might choose 70% total market, 20% international, 10% bonds. Someone closer to retirement might increase bond exposure. There is no perfect formula. What matters most is consistency and staying invested. Avoid these owning too many overlapping funds, chasing trending stocks, changing strategy every few months, panic selling during market dips. A portfolio only works if you stick to it. Let's recap. A beginner investment portfolio should be diversified. Focus on index funds, include some stability. Be built for the long term. 3 steps you can take today. 1. Choose a beginner-friendly brokerage. 2. Start with broad index funds. 3. Invest consistently and rebalance occasionally. Simple beats complicated. If this helped you understand how to build your first investment portfolio, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing basics explained simply, and comment below. Are you building your portfolio yet, or still learning?